so what we brought with us this year is basically our full product lineup of wheel repair equipments. So we have everything from our diamond cut machine that is used to basically cut off the surface damage on the wheel itself, to our blast cabinet that is used to prep the wheel prior to new clear coat or paint, and of course our fully automated wheel paint machine that automates the process of painting a wheel from start to finish. So we brought with us primarily the wheel repair, but within our product range as well, we also have all our smart repair. Yeah, so it's generally the aftermarket, but we actually see a large interest within the OEM sector itself, so the large dealer groups, etc., due to the transformation that the automotive industry is undergoing, where the margins for sales of new vehicles are dropping significantly, and the service requirements for vehicles are also dropping. So a lot of dealers are actually looking for new revenue streams, and our products is a great fit for those types of customers. And of course, there is a massive industry within tire centers, etc., that typically don't have a high margin areas, because tires, etc., are typically also something that is under pressure in terms of price. Yeah, so smart repair have been around for many years now. Smart repair started with paint manufacturers calling only paint repair as a smart repair. We see smart repair, and the definition of smart repair is actually a little bit broader than just paint repair. With our many years in smart repair, we've seen the transformation is actually not only offering single type of repair, but actually the whole portfolio of various types of repair. So we cover 360 degrees of smart repair. So that means plastic, leather, vinyl, dents, of course paint, wheel, interior and exterior. So for us, what we've seen is when we started around 25 years ago, we were a bit premature compared to the market, but we now see the demand start growing because of the factors I just described before. Yes, so the equipment and the products itself maintain the same type of quality because they're OEM approved. So we do not necessarily change the product, but what we change is our commercial help and support for our customers. So pricing might be different, USPs might be different. If you compare, for instance, the GCC countries with Europe, the demand and the pressure on environmentally, CO2 calculations, etc., are significantly larger in Europe than it is in the GCC at the moment. So those aspects we change and emphasize more depending on what area we're working in. The way we actually service and support our customers is from planning the workshop, how it should be designed, what is the proper workflow, all the way to the commercial aspects of it, how to sell the various types of repairs, whether the USPs, etc., for the end customer, for that specific customer. So we offer a full service support from the whole customer journey from start to finish, also with marketing materials, USPs, etc. And in relation to all of our equipment, we have selected a manufacturer of all of the electrical components that's called Schneider Electric, that is currently in over 108 countries around the world. That means that we can utilize their service network, but also their spare parts availability to service our equipment globally without having our own organization. Yeah, so in the past, the GCC or in the Middle East in general have always been a strong market for us because there's a high demand, but there's also a high purchasing power. Traditionally, Asia have been a little bit more a weaker region for us, but what we see really is changing right now is that the insurance companies are getting on board and actually pushing the individual repairers to come up with new affordable methods, because if you compare the two markets, a front bumper for a BMW costs exactly the same in the Middle East and in Asia. So the demand for actually doing the repair, so where we're seeing the major difference is that it's actually insurance companies that are pushing it towards in Asia, whereas more customer demands in the Middle East.